Start? Okay, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I'll be with you for the next maybe around 30-45 minutes, and it's a promise that you would go with lot of things which will help you to remember lot of things. Okay, can we quickly have make a partner? Everybody should have a partner. Who's your partner? Yeah. Yeah, everybody should have a partner. Everybody should have a partner sitting next to you. Okay? Everybody. Who is not having a partner? Pair upar. Hala, thu. Sorry, haath upar. Everybody have a partner? So you don't have? Okay. Who's your partner? Okay, इनके पास आइए 1 मिनट के लिए, नहीं तो आप भी वो एक्टिविटी खत्म कर सकते हो. Okay, now what we do is, in between both of you, one person will raise hand quickly. Any one of you. Okay, between you, who will raise the hand? Okay, raise your hand quickly. Okay, right. You don't have a partner? Vipassana. Yeah. Very powerful name, Vipassana. Yeah. He's your partner. Would that be okay with you? Thank you. Yeah. Raise your hands completely. Yeah. Now you people are called as brilliants. Okay. You people are called as brilliants. Hands down. Now the other person will raise your hand. Other person. You are called excellents. Okay, you are called excellence. Hands down. Now all the brilliants, raise your hands. Right, hands down. All the excellence, raise your hands. Hands down. Thank you. Now I'm going to give you 90 seconds. In these 90 seconds, you have to share. All the brilliants, raise your hands. Brilliants. Yeah. You have to share your learnings with excellent. Okay, you will say, today morning we started with a session with Dr. Xavier, and later on Acharya came and he started. Brain is the very important organ. Brain has two parts. Whatever you have learnt, you have to share it with your partner. Okay? Your time starts now. Start. Only brilliant will speak. Excellent will not open his mouth.
We can refer, no?
Yeah. If you want, you can refer too. Last 30 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Okay, time's up. Thank your partner. Right. Now, excellence will share whatever you have learnt in the other language. For example, if she spoke to you in Hindi, you will speak in Marathi or English. For example, she has conversed with you in conversation हुआ आप दोनों में, yeah, and she spoke in English, and now you should not use English, other language. Okay, got it? Am I clear? Your time starts now.
About the with action.
Last 15 seconds. मनु भाई माइक ऑन है माइक ऑन है थैंक यू okay thank you partner say thank you okay how many of you are enjoying the session say ah okay give high five to your partner and say I'm enjoying learning is fun very nice right now we are going to discover a technique. There are 108 techniques by the grace of God and blessings of my Guru. I have learnt more than 108 techniques, but today I would be discussing only one technique with you and which you would love. Okay? You will fall in love with that technique. Okay? Now we are going to discuss about that technique. Right? Now, most of you are graduate here. Correct me if I am wrong. Yeah, most of you are graduate. And most of you know here ABCD also. Christoph? Yes. ABCD पता है? Yeah, Ram? पता है ABCD पता है? अच्छा. First, yes sir. Thank you. Now, what is the first alphabet? Second, third, 17th, 23rd, 19th. This is our education system. रट्टा मार के रट्टा मार के हम लोगों ने इतना सीखा है पता तक नहीं है कि कौन सा 13 है, कौन सा 18 है, कौन सा 7 है. And people call themselves as very very educated. Okay? Education का मतलब ही अलग है. Education का मतलब ही अलग है. Right? Our education system, meaning our Indian Gurukulam education system was the best education system on this planet Earth. Okay? When Britishers came, before coming, they will send one secret agent to India and they say, मस्त माल है वहाँ पे बहुत यानी बहुत है लूटने के लिए स्पाइसेस है गोल्ड्स है डायमंड क्या क्या नहीं है इंडिया में बहुत कुछ है हमको लूटना चाहिए वी हैव टू गो एंड एस्टैब्लिश आवर एम्पायर देयर आवर किंगडम देयर सो गो एंड चेक एन एजेंट कम्स ही वॉक्स फ्रॉम कन्याकुमारी टू कश्मीर गुजरात till Calcutta, Orissa. He walks all over the country for almost 3 years, goes back to Parliament in England and he gives one speech. His name is Lord Macaulay. Lord Macaulay, 1853, February 24th, he gives a speech. In that speech he says, it is impossible to establish ourselves in India. Impossible. I have travelled across the country and I did not see even a single beggar. एक चोर को नहीं देखा मैंने वहां पे. इतना जबरदस्त कंट्री है इंडिया. नहीं होगा. And everybody said, अयो. उसने शुरू किया. लेकिन अगर हम लोगों ने the backbone of country which is called education system उसको बदल दिया हर आदमी को गुलाम बनना पड़ेगा. Very strong education system they have. If you want to rule them, invade them, break the education system. They did. They bought convent education system. And today कहीं पे भी जाता हूँ हमारे इंडिया में पूछता हूँ why do you go to school college everybody will say doctor engineer ये वो क्यों क्योंकि when I become that every month I get my salary. See, our India was not like that. I always say Acharya is searching for somebody who could stand in the midst of the crowd and say, Acharya, I am not coming to school or college to learn and get salary. I am coming to school and college to know more, learn more. Once I grow up in my life, मुझे सैलरी नहीं लेना है, मुझे सैलरी देना है. इसीलिए मैं आ रहा हूं, आ रही हूं. Nobody. Nobody. Why? Our basic education system is broken. Now I am on a mission to help people to make education fun. Education with entertainment. Edutainment workshop. आचार्य का edutainment workshop. Education भी होता है, उसके साथ entertainment भी होता है. Okay? Now ABCD, now we all know there are how many alphabets? 26. Okay. Can I, from now on you have to pay very close attention. You have to pay very close attention because with this technique we are able to memorize 25 dialogues. Okay? How many of you are ready for that? Say I. Hands down. Now everybody should have a sheet of paper in which dialogues are printed. Do you have your dialogues with you? You don't have? Okay, once we are through with this technique, मनु भाई सबको एक एक पेज मिल सकता है? ओके, सेम डायलॉग होना चाहिए, सबके पास सेम डायलॉग. चेक कर लो, अभी किसी के हाथ में मत देना सर. हाँ, राइट. Okay, thank you, Vipassana. Now you can go and sit there. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you. Right. Now listen here. You have to pay very, very close attention, friends. If you learn this technique, 25 dialogues, 26 dialogues, अगर किसी director ने आपको बताया, दो और एक बार बता, और एक बार बता, मैं फोटो ले लूँ इसका, जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगा. Director या dialogue, क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Lyricist. डायलॉग लिखता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? डायलॉग राइटर. हाँ, जब डायलॉग राइटर लिख लिख के बताता है ना, ये डायलॉग है, ये डायलॉग है, प्रैक्टिस करने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगा आपको. यू विल रिमेंबर. बट इमोशंस एंड आई विल बी नॉट एबल टू हेल्प यू टू ब्रिंग दोज इमोशंस आउट ऑफ यू. ओके, दैट यू हैव टू हेल्प योर सेल्फ. बट रिमेंबरिंग वॉट एवर डायलॉग राइटर इज टेलिंग यू, यू विल बी एबल टू रिमेंबर एवरीथिंग इन द सेम ऑर्डर. ओके. Now, are you all ready? Yes. Now, brilliant will tell excellent. Listen to Acharya carefully. It is $1 million technique. Brilliant, say this to excellent. Okay, वो देखो वहाँ पे excellent बोल. तू भी सुन. हाँ? Right. Now we are going to learn. Okay? First we'll understand how many alphabets we have. 26. First we will write it. From now on लिखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. लिखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. आचार्य ऐसे सिखाएगा साला. हाँ. Okay? A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Totally how many alphabets are there? 26. 26 alphabets are there, and today in the next 5 minutes we will get to know the order. Okay? 13th M, X 24, L 12. You should be able to tell how you are going to learn. Okay? Now, to learn this, you need to know my recording हो रहा है फिर भी बता रहा हूँ, girlfriend's name. Okay? You need to know my girlfriend's name, and her name is Ejoti. What's her name? Ejoti. Everybody, what's her name? Ejoti. Ejoti. Ejoti is my girlfriend's name. Ejoti. Right? Now, A first alphabet सबको पता है. B is second alphabet सबको पता है. Now C is third alphabet सबको पता है. D is fourth alphabet. E is 5. My girlfriend's name? Ejoti. Okay, EJOT. Okay, now 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 हो गया वो. Okay, right. Now यहाँ से you have to pay very 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 close attention to understand this. Once if you understand, it will be like a बच्चों का खेल for you. If you don't understand, then अरे तुम्हें कैसे पता, तुम्हें कैसे पता, you keep on questioning yourself. Yeah, now F से एक रिदम बनाएंगे. ओके, F से एक वर्ड बनाएंगे. F से फिक्स बनाएंगे. फिक्स, FIX, फिक्स. नंबर इज 6. अभी फास्ट जाऊंगा मैं. ओके, नाउ G देखो, कुछ लोग ऐसे भी लिखते हैं G. यहां पे एक लाइन डाल दो भाई, क्या हुआ? 7 हो गया वो. 7th अल्फाबेट इज G. नाउ H, यहां पे एक कर्व डालो, यहां पे एक कर्व डालो, क्या हो गया ये? 8. कुछ लोग 9 के ऊपर सर्कल डालते हैं. ओके, मैं भी सर्कल डालूंगा लेकिन थोड़ा बड़ा. क्या हुआ वो? 9. नाउ K, अर्जेंट में हूं मैं. ओके, नाउ एबल टू फॉलो माई हिंदी? ओके, अच्छा, ओके, और नाउ आई एम इन अ हरी, आई नीड टू राइट K, सो आई विल राइट लाइक दिस. कैसे दिख रहा है ये? 11. L से एक वर्ड बनाएंगे. L is 12. L 12. नाउ M ऐसे घुमाएंगे, ऐसे घुमाएंगे. ओके, विंसेंट सर आप लिख रहे हो, राइट. नाउ व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम व्हेन यू राइट? आई एम टेलिंग यू. व्हाई डू यू राइट? नाउ से फॉर एग्जाम्पल, तुषार, आचार्य यार, हाँ, नाउ डू यू माइंड गेटिंग मी दैट ग्लास ऑफ वाटर? हाँ प्लीज. नहीं होगा, बैठो, नहीं होगा. Okay, now again I'll talk for another 5, 10, 12, 15 minutes, and later on I'll ask, तुषार भाई पानी पिला दो यार, प्लीज गेट दैट बॉटल. वहीं पे है. सिट डाउन. नहीं होगा, सिट डाउन. ओके, और एक 5-10 मिनट बात करूंगा और बाद में बताऊंगा, तुषार भाई, see, he didn't even bother to get up and put his hand. Why? He believed. What is the word? He believed. What is the word? Believed. He believed that आचार्य मुझे ग्लास लेने का मौका नहीं देगा, है ना? ये बिलीव सिस्टम में बैठ गया. मैं बताया उसको, ग्लास उठा के दो तुषार. 3rd time I said, he is like he. Why? He believed that Acharya is not going to give me an opportunity to lift, isn't it? When I'm saying don't write it down, you should not write it down. Why do you write? Because you believe that you don't remember now. Able to understand? Yes. Once you start copying, what happens? You are communicating with your brain that I'm not able to remember. I don't bank upon you, so I bank upon the neighbor person. Okay, great learning, Vincent sir. Great learning. We should never, if you don't believe, once if you, now am I using any PowerPoint presentation here? मेरे हाथ में नोट्स है, कुछ देख देख के बता रहा हूं? नहीं. Why? I believe that my brain helps me with the information whenever I need. Okay? एक बार वो रजिस्टर हो गया आपके दिमाग में, मौका ही नहीं चाहिए हमको दोबारा ढूंढने के लिए कहां पे लिखा था मैंने. Am I making sense? Yeah? Thank you. Great learning for you. Now M, मैंने ऐसे 90 degrees I will rotate like this. So कैसे दिखेगा ये? Okay, एक लाइन डाल दो. 13. Okay? नवंबर महीने में एक दिन सबको पता है, कौन सा है वो? 14. What is it? Children's Day. Exactly. February 14 क्या है? Exactly 9 महीने के बाद वो चिल्ड्रंस डे पड़ता है. मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूं. फरवरी से मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, एग्जैक्टली 9 months. वैलेंटाइन डे और नवंबर 14 चिल्ड्रंस डे. राइट. N is 14 और O गर्लफ्रेंड के नाम पे आ गए. Now P, what I do is P, say for example I put a mirror here. मिरर में कैसे दिखेगा वो? ऐसे. क्या हुआ? 16. अभी Q ऐसा है, यहां पे एक लाइन डालो और ये बनाओ. क्या हुआ? 17. अभी R ऐसा है, एक लाइन डालो और ये बताओ. अभी यस ऐसा है, यहां पे एक लाइन डाल के ऐसा कर दो. T20 मैचेस, T20 क्रिकेट मैच हो गया. नाउ यू इज यूनिक. ताजमहल इज यूनिक. एक ही है वो. एक. कुतुब मीनार इज यूनिक. एक ही है वो. राइट. आचार्य इज यूनिक. एक ही है आचार्य. Isn't it? Unique means one. Okay? 21. अभी ऐसे पकड़ेंगे तो ये भी V है और ऐसे पकड़ेंगे ये भी V है. ओके. 2 22. एंड W ऐसे घुमाएंगे तो कैसे दिखेगा? ऐसे. 23. कितने एंगल्स है यहां पे? 1 2 3 4. 24. ये गर्लफ्रेंड के नाम पे और लास्ट 26. Okay? Now all the brilliants, raise your hands. Right. Okay. Now brilliants. Now you have to teach. Take a book. Okay? Teach it to excellent. Okay? Your time starts now. Time's up. Thank your partner. Very nice. Now I'm going to give you quick 30 seconds or half a minute. Which one you want? Which one you want? 30 seconds or half a minute? Which one you want? She's thinking. कौन सा लूं? दोनों तो same है. Correct. I'm going to give you 30 seconds. Now excellent should teach. Hold that book and explain the same thing back to them. Your time starts now. Quickly start. Hold the same book. Time's up. Everybody look forward. Now, how many of you did not understand even a bit of it? सबको सब कुछ पता चल गया? बीच में पूछूंगा तो बोलेंगे आप? Yeah. What is the first alphabet? A. Fifth. E. 16th. P. Very good. What is 21st? U. And I? Yeah. Right. 11th. K. Beautiful. 23rd. W. 9th. I. Beautiful. Are you enjoying it? Give high five to your partner and say, I'm enjoying. Learning is fun. Very good. Now what we do is, now again, we are going to write A, B, C, D, one below the other. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Quickly. Everybody will write now. For you. Discuss with your partner. Come up with a thing with that alphabet. A, aeroplane. B, balloon. C, cat. D, E, F. Right? Now, will you be able to do that? Discuss with your partner and do. Quickly. And write it down. Beautiful. Now, everybody done? Yeah. Everybody done? Who was not done? Okay, finish it off. Quickly finish it off. Now, if you try to memorize them, what is 11? Will you be able to tell kangaroo?
I might take some time.
Who's stopping you? Take 5 seconds. Yeah. If I say 23, wax. Okay. What is 10? Yeah. Simple. Will we be able to do that much at least? Yeah. Now spend a minute on that list which you have created for yourself and try to understand and memorize with a technique. We are not by hearting. Okay? Right. सुभाष अभी सबके हाथ में वो डायलॉग का शीट दे दो. Dialogue you also want to practice? You'll practice? Thank you. Yeah, everybody are having a dialogue sheet? Yeah, you have? Jyoti ji, you come here. Yeah. Now we have Jyoti here. Everybody say hi, Jyoti.
Hi, Jyoti, ma'am.
You also say hi to them.
Hi, guys. What's
Right. Now you tell the dialogue and ask them where they have to put an end. Where does the first dialogue ends? Okay, ma?
Yeah.
Right, start.
Okay. Okay. First one is मुझे गौर से देखिए जज साहब, मैं वही कलावती हूँ जिससे अदालत ने आज से 10 साल पहले इसी गणपत का कातिल मानकर उम्र कैद की सजा दी थी. That is
Thi
first.
is the end of the first dialogue.
लाइन
Thi.
सेम है आपका कालिदास होगा. Okay, first है सजा दी थी.
Thi. Now listen to her carefully and there the dialogue ends. Okay, yeah.
या अभी
हाँ.
सेकंड, मैं इस अदालत से पूछती हूँ कि अगर गणपत का खून आज से 10 साल पहले हुआ था, फिर आज मुझे यहाँ क्यों लाया गया है? और अगर गणपत का खून आज हुआ है तो फिर मुझे 10 साल पहले किस गुनाह की सजा दी गई थी? यहाँ से
Thi.
सेकंड.
Mark kar lo, second. Okay, second will start from here and it ends here. 2. Now third will start. Yeah.
क्यों 10 साल तक खुली हवा और रोशनी और जिंदगी की हर खुशी से महरूम रखा गया? ये थर्ड है.
Right, 3. Right, 3 here and 3 here. So it will start here, it will end here.
ठीक है. नाउ फोर्थ, ये तो मुमकिन है हुजूर, मगर ये मुमकिन नहीं कि कानून मेरी जिंदगी के वो बेहतरीन 10 साल मुझे वापस दे दे जो कैद खाने की नज़र हो गए. और ये भी मुमकिन नहीं कि मेरी रग रग, मेरे दिल और दिमाग की रूह की गहराइयों में जो जहर उतर गया है उसे आपका कानून धो डाले. दिस इज फोर्थ. एक शरीफ ईमानदार कलावती जेल की सलाखों के पीछे एड़ियां घिस घिस कर मर गई और उसकी जगह इस कलावती ने ले ली जिसे हर इंसान, हर समाज और हर कानून से नफरत हो गई. दिस इज फिफ्थ. ये बात आज कहानी ही मालूम होती है हुजूर, मगर जिस पर गुजर गई उसके दिल से पूछिए. ये एक कहानी नहीं, अदालतों में ऐसी बहुत कहानियां लिखी गई हैं जिन्हें सुनाने वाले जिंदा नहीं रहे. दिस इज सिक्स. मेरे गले में भी फांसी का फंदा पड़ गया होता तो मेरी जबान भी हमेशा के लिए बंद हो जाती. दिस इज सेवेंथ. मैं पूछती हूँ कि जिस चीज़ को लेकर कानून वापस नहीं कर सकता उस चीज़ को कानून को लेने का क्या हक है. दिस इज 8. हुजूर सामने बैठी उस लड़की को देखिए जिसे 10 साल तक बदनाम किया गया, जलील किया गया, महज इसलिए क्योंकि वो मेरी बेटी है, एक कातिल की बेटी. दिस
Okay,
इज
9. Okay, thank you. Can we give a round of applause to her? Very nice, very nice. Yeah. Now totally we have 9 dialogues with her. How many? 9 dialogues with her. Now what you have to do, brain has how many, memory has how many principles? 4. What is the first one? Everybody together. If you don't do it with action, you will forget. Okay, first one? Association. Second one? Visualization. Third one? Imagination. Fourth one? Organization. Wonderful. Now, brain remembers through association. Okay, now tell me the first dialogue.
मुझे गौर से देखिए जज साहब
हाँ, मुझे गौर से देखिए जज साहब. Okay, what is one? What is A? Whatever you have written apple, she has written aeroplane, she has written something else. It is okay. Almara. Okay. Aladdin. Okay. What is your place? For example, now I have one more guru. He always says, place for everything, everything in its place. प्लेस फॉर एवरीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग इन इट्स प्लेस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हमारे घर में आएंगे तो कम से कम आपको 5,000 बुक्स मिलेंगे देखने के लिए. इन्होंने आया है हमारे घर में, देखिए, कम से कम मैं बता रहा हूं 5,000 बुक. अब किसी बुक का टाइटल बताइए, मैं बताऊंगा हम मेरे लाइब्रेरी में वो बुक कौन से रैक में, कौन से स्टेप पे, कौन से नंबर पे है. वाई? बिकॉज आई हैव एसोसिएटेड, आई हैव ऑर्गेनाइज्ड दैट वे. Now, first one is, for example, yours. What is A for you? Apple. Okay. मुझे गौर से देखिए. Now, who is saying that to you? Not Kalavati. Apple is saying to you. Okay. Apple आपके सामने आके. See, now, यहाँ पे, now I am speaking to you. Now I am speaking to you. All of a sudden यहां से एक डायनासोरस आएगा, आचार्य को अपने मुंह में ऐसे बंद करके चले जाएगा. खुश हो गई बाबू? हाँ? वाह. Right. Now tell me, for example, and I believe you people are undergoing training from gem of a person, because I'm able to see your attitude. I'm observing. I'm a very good observer. Okay, you people have down to earth attitude. I did not see anybody showcasing their ego. Wonderful. I would like to give a round of applause to you. Very nice, very nice. Right. Wonderful. Usually I've seen you people have that. Okay, down to earth attitude, respecting. I was able to see since morning. Okay. Now, you people have seen lot of people coming here and training. Isn't it? Say after couple of months or years, you become super duper star. Okay, and you are in demand. Whole of India is calling you. Christoph, हमारे मूवी में. Christoph, हमारे मूवी में. Ram, हमारे मूवी में. Ram, हमारे. So you are in demand. Okay. Now what you do is, after long years, will you all forget Kishore sir? No. You will get married, you will have children, and you will come along with your family members to this institute and say, this is the place where I started my career. He is the one who taught me. I am like this because of this person. Here is the place where we used to sit and have breakfast. Here is the place, and as soon as you enter, you will also say, this was the place where we used to practice our skit. And you will never forget one incident. What is it? हाँ, क्यों? डायनासोरस लेके चला गया था मुझे. है ना? है ना? You will forget lot of things, but you will never forget Dinosaurus. Why? Because that is an outstanding thing. It is not a normal thing. When abnormal things happen in your life, you tend to remember. Now say for example, morning you are coming. There are 120 cars which passed in front of you. But do you remember all of them? No. But there is one car which is 2.5 feet. The small. Zoom, it comes and it will vanish. Now tell me, do you forget it? No. Now you all are walking, you are walking on the street, hundreds of people are coming in front of you, don't remember anybody. But there is one guy who is almost 10.5 feet and he is walking in front of you. Now, do you forget this? No, because this is unusual thing. This is unusual thing. Now, you are coming and lot of beautiful girls are coming. Lot of beautiful girls are coming. But one girl, she has applied lipstick so much till here. यहाँ से यहाँ तक. And she is like, huh? Now tell me, do you forget that? No. Unusual things we will never forget. Okay? Extraordinary things we will never forget. Yes or yes?
Yes.
So now it's a challenge for your mind to make that association so extraordinary that your mind will not forget it. Able to understand? Now, Pratibha. Yeah? Now, आपको क्या करना है? एप्पल आपसे बोल रही, हुजूर, व्हाट इज द डायलॉग?
मुझे गौर से देखिए
मुझे गौर से देखिए. एप्पल आपको बता रही है, मुझे गौर से देखिए प्रतिभा जी. Okay, what you have to do? Just close your eyes, visualize an apple, and apple is speaking to you. मुझे गौर से देखो, ए प्रतिभा, गौर से, ए प्रतिभा, गौर से देखो मुझे. एप्पल बता रही है, मैं नहीं. ओके, हो गया, हो गया. और बाकी का डायलॉग तो आपको पता है, आगे क्या क्या बताना है वो तो है. नाउ सेकेंड वन, व्हाट इज द सेकेंड डायलॉग?
मैं इस अदालत से पूछ
अदालत, व्हाट इज टू? बी, हाँ, बॉल. ओके, कोर्ट, अदालत, कोर्ट. यहां पे लॉयर इज डिबेटिंग, बोथ द लॉयर्स. लेकिन ये साला जज यहां पे बैठ के अदालत में बॉल से ऐसे खेल रहा है. ओके, जज क्या कर रहा है अदालत में? बॉल. सो बॉल, अदालत, एंड यू विल स्टार्ट द डायलॉग. मैं अदालत में ब्ला ब्ला वॉट एवर यू हैव. Am I making sense?
Yes.
Right. Now third one.
क्यों इस साल
हाँ, क्यों?
क्यों 10 साल तक खुली हवा और
10 साल, 10 साल खुली हवा. Okay. Now what is C? Cat. Okay. कहां पे भी, कहीं पे भी खुली हवा. Wherever you have that breeze, open space. Okay. Now Pratibha wants to sit and enjoy. खुली हवा में मजा लेना चाहती है. तुरंत वहां पे म्याऊ क्या आता है? कैट. कैट खुली हवा में आता है. ओके, हो गया. राइट, नेक्स्ट.
ये तो मुमकिन है हुजूर.
मुमकिन है हुजूर. मुमकिन है. व्हाट इज डी? डॉग. ओके, डॉग. नाउ यू थिंक addition is possible? 4 plus 5 क्या है? कुत्ता. बताओ, बताएगा वो? मुमकिन है. I show that video, no? Dog can learn multiplication, addition, division. I have that video with me. अगर एक कुत्ता सीख सकता है, है ना? है मेरे पास वीडियो, आपको चाहिए तो दिखाता हूं मैं. 4 plus 5 भौंकेगा, भौ 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 9 times. 5 minus 3 2 बार भौंकेगा, भौ भौ. है वीडियो मेरे पास. ओके, मुमकिन है. डॉग मुमकिन है. फोर्थ डायलॉग. फिफ्थ वन.
ये एक शरीफ ईमानदार
शरीफ और ईमानदार. ओके, व्हाट इज 5? एलिफेंट. एलिफेंट. ओके, नाउ एलिफेंट, शरीफ. ओके, बहुत शरीफ होता है ना एलिफेंट. ओके, कोई आगे आएगा तो मारेगा नहीं, पीछे जाएगा तो लात मारेगा नहीं, आशीर्वाद करेगा. बहुत शरीफ है एलिफेंट. हो गया, 5 डायलॉग हो गया. राइट. नाउ फर्स्ट वन इज एप्पल. घूर के, रिलेटेड टू समथिंग लाइक दैट. गौर से देखो प्रतिभा, गौर से देखो. एप्पल. 2 इज बी, बॉल, अदालत में. ओके, नहीं. 3 इज कैट, खुली हवा, खुली हवा में. ओके. 4 इज डॉग, मुमकिन है. ओके. 5 इज एलिफेंट, शरीर. ऐसे करके कुछ भी याद कर सकते हो आप. कितनों को अच्छा लगा? Very nice. Hands down, hands down. Right. Now, usually I conduct workshops only in AC halls. I have AC in my hall, AC in my home, AC in my car, training institute, wherever I go, I conduct workshops only in AC atmosphere. And here it's too hot for me. Able to see? Yeah, I'm sweating. So I'm stopping the session. How many of you are happy? Say I. Ram ji. Ah. राम जी खुश हुए. Right. Okay. Now, really, I enjoyed sharing my knowledge. I never say I teach. I never say I teach. I share my knowledge with you and I create an atmosphere where you can learn. I don't teach. In that atmosphere, you people learn. Okay? Now, quickly we will recap whatever we did since morning. Okay? Now, everybody sit in sthiti. Thank you. Now, we started with one important question. If you want to become successful, which is the most important organ in our body, which is brain. Brain has two hemispheres. Left brain. Okay, if you use your left brain, how much percentage you can remember? 10. If you use your right brain, how much? 90. Okay, and somebody by name Roger W. Sperry got a Nobel Prize for telling this world left and right brain theory. Okay, Indian education system now focusing on left brain approach. That's the reason we don't remember. Right brain approach, we remember everything. Okay, now will somebody be able to tell me what was the 7th item in the shopping list? Orange. What is the 9th item? Chocolate. What is the 3rd item? Mushroom. Break में जाके रट्टा मारा आपने, लिखा एक 10-20 बार. Did you see the beauty of right brain? Brain understand only one language. The language of brain is? Pictures. Language of brain is? Pictures. So there are 4 principles we understood. Memory means receiving, registering, recalling. Memory, there are 2 types. First one is short-term memory. Couple of minutes to couple of seconds we'll be able to remember the information. Long-term memory? Years together we remember. Any information which you want to transfer from short term to long term, you should be using 4 principles of memory. What is the first principle? Association. Second one? Visualization. Third one? Imagination. Fourth one? Organization. Once we start associating things, visualizing, imagining, then learning becomes easy. Okay? And by using Acharya's rhythm technique, we were able to create 10 places. Say for example, here we have around 25-30 upcoming stars in Bollywood. And if we have another 50, can we accommodate them here? No. If we have to accommodate another 50, what I have to do? I have to create some more place here. Yes or yes? Yes. We have to create some more place. So, to remember 10 shopping list items, we created a space in our brain. Isn't it? Now, if you want to remember more, you should be good at creating more and more space in your brain. You should be able to remember anything and everything. Every movie, every dialogue, break ke baad, break se pehle, isne bola ho, you should be able to do only by remembering the place. If I ask you what is 7th, what is 3rd, what is 5th, you are able to tell. Why? Because we created place for it to keep an object. After that, we understood A, B, C, D. How many alphabets are there? 26. Out of which first one? A. What is 5th? E. What is 11th? K. What is 21st? U. You people have wonderful students, huh? Once if they tell, you learnt everything so quickly. Very nice. I'm very happy for you all. Right? Now, what we do is that word ABCD doesn't have any meaning. Brain remembers only things which have meaning. Now, if I say धन्यवाद, समझ में आता है? Yes. If I say danke, समझ में आता है? What is danke?
German, thank you.
Thank you. Correct. Give me 5. That is German. You don't understand. Why? Because you have never come across that word. Isn't it? Right. So we have to give meaning to everything. Only then we will understand. ABCD सिखा दिया, सीख लिया हमने. Okay, now A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, we made a word so that we can give meaning to it. Now, what is fifth dialogue? कहाँ से शुरू होता है fifth dialogue? शरीफ. वहाँ से blah 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 that you do. Okay, third dialogue कहाँ से शुरू होता है? कैट से वो अपने मन में कैट आना चाहिए और आपको बोलना है खुली हवा blah 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 whatever you have. Able to understand? Okay, I'll speak with Kishore sir, and if possible I love to meet you all again, and let us see how do you remember anything and everything. If somebody comes and first time I'm meeting Pratibha, and after 5 years she comes and stands in front of me, I should be able to tell, your name is Pratibha, we met on this day at that institute and your birthday. If you do that with 10-15 people, will they not become your fans? Yes, no, no, yes? Yes. Now to do that, you want to become an ordinary actor or extraordinary actor? If you want to become extraordinary, you have to do little extra on daily basis. Without doing little extra, you will never become extraordinary. Yesterday was my daughter's birthday. I can do anything and everything for my daughter. Anything and everything. And there were days in my life where I never had even 5 rupees to travel in bus. I used to walk for 6, 7, 8 kilometers. I did not. Okay, but today, by the grace of God and blessings of people like him, you know how do I celebrate my wedding anniversary? 26th March is my birthday. 26th March is my wedding anniversary. On my birthday, I got married. A lifelong gift, they gave it to me. Yeah? Thank you. Now, how do I celebrate? I made a promise to my wife that every year on our wedding anniversary, will not be in India. Will not be in India. I'll take you abroad. And how do we select the country? Okay, it's not like कौन सी देश की करेंसी कम है, थाईलैंड में बात कम है. No, we will not. What I do is I'll take globe. Okay, I'll take globe in front of my wife and I'll ask her to close her eyes. She will close her eyes. I'll take globe and I say घुमाता हूँ मैं. घुमाने के बाद उसको बोलता हूँ उंगली रख. वो कहाँ पे रखेगी, नेक्स्ट वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी का डेस्टिनेशन वही होगा. And thank you, Prashantji. And last time, a couple of years ago, what happened? My wife is very fond of photos. She kept her hand on Thailand. Okay, Thailand. We went there and we were there for almost 10 days. Okay, and she's very fond of photos. सेल्फी भी गलती से भी गलती किया वो भी वो डिलीट नहीं करती है. गलती से भी गलती को भी डिलीट नहीं करती है वो. शी वांट्स टू स्टोर. Okay, and I'm very, very organized. Very, very, very organized. Okay, in my life. If you go to my computer, I'll show it to you. Everything is organized. I conduct student empowerment workshop. In student empowerment workshop, I conduct memory, master your memory level 1, master your memory level 2, master your memory level 3. Teachers empowerment program level 1, level 2. Everything is planned there, organized. So what I did was, we were having close to 23-25 GB of data. And I love getting organized. And I took all the photos, videos, and I remember those places also. And accordingly, I sorted everything. In the process, I don't know what happened, I deleted everything. 23 GB का डेटा डिलीट हो गया. वो हार्ड डिस्क से कंप्यूटर से यहाँ करने के लिए वो डिलीट हो गया. And I know how I am madly in love with my wife, and I don't have any girlfriends, and she is the life. सिर्फ बॉडी यहाँ पे है, and life is there in Bangalore. I love to that extent I am mad with her. And गलती से मनु एक फोटो डिलीट किया तो किचन में बहुत आवाज आता है. बहुत यानी बहुत. बर्तन का, गैस का, रेफ्रिजरेटर डोर का, बोतल का बहुत आवाज आता है किचन से. एंड ऑन दैट डे आई डेयर्ड, बहुत हिम्मत लेके गया और बोला आज रात का डिनर मैं बनाऊंगा. और वो बोली, मेरा मुंह देख के बोली, बता क्या किया. I was like, no, I have not done anything. No, I have not done anything. And she said, honey, I know, tell me, what is it? I said, no, nothing. I took chapati, I started doing that. And she came to me from behind and she said, honey, it's okay, tell me what happened. Then I told her, you should not feel bad about it. Her name is Yashoda, I call her as Yashu. Okay? Please don't feel bad about it. Okay, tell me what is it. Should not hit me. किचन में बहुत सारे टूल्स है वहां पे यार. And she said, okay. And I told her, I deleted all the photos and videos of Bangkok trip, and I closed my eyes and I stood like this, half a minute. I thought she would be yelling at me, shouting at me, and she did not do anything. She was preparing chapati. I was shocked. I thought whether she is my wife or not. एक गलती से निकाला हुआ सेल्फी फोटो गलती से भी डिलीट कर दिया तो वो चिल्लाती थी. फॉरेन ट्रिप का फोटोस वीडियोस मैंने डिलीट कर दिया, कुछ नहीं बोल रही है. एंड आई सेड, शी वॉज प्रिपेयरिंग चपाती, एंड आई सेड, यशु, डिड यू नॉट फील बैड? शी सेड, फॉर व्हाट? नो, आई डिलीटेड ऑल योर फोटोस एंड वीडियोस. नो, आई डिड नॉट फील बैड. आई आस्क्ड हर, व्हाई? बिकॉज टू टेक सेम फोटोस यू आर टेकिंग मी बैक टू बैंकॉक. नो. And friends, you will not believe me, I took my wife back to Bangkok and I love spending time with her. I took her to Bangkok. Again, I shot, I clicked all the photographs, took my wife back to Bangalore. All these things are possible only if you are extraordinary person. If you want to become extraordinary person, you have to get a training from extraordinary person. Yes or yes? Yes. You people are very, 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 very lucky and fortunate because today we have Dr. G. Francis Xavier here. हम लोगों ने डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम को तो नहीं देखा होगा इस आंखों से, लेकिन अब्दुल कलाम जी के साथ जो बैठा उठा, खाना पिया, बात किया, खेला था, वो हमारे साथ है. Right? And for your information, he is an extraordinary person having extraordinary talent that he has already showcased. For your information, let me tell you, if you want to become extraordinary, you have a golden opportunity today. He is conducting one full day seminar. Now you don't understand. समझो कि मेरा पास एक गाड़ी है. Okay? First time I took my Audi, I go out. Okay, प्रशांत जी बैठिए ना. बैठिए. Thank you. बाहर लेके गया और मडगार्ड पे स्क्रैच आ गया. You think I go to mechanic for that? No, I don't. और थोड़ा दिन गया, बम्पर, आई बम्प्ड, अभी गाड़ी चल रहा है, आई डोंट टेक. बहुत महीनों के बाद थोड़ा रस्ट, जंग पकड़ा, यू थिंक आई गो टू मैकेनिक? नो, आई डोंट. सीट थोड़ा हिल रहा है, यू थिंक आई गो टू मैकेनिक? आई डोंट. ओके, किसी ने आके पीछे से ठोक दिया, बेंड हुआ बम्पर और गाड़ी, यू थिंक आई गो टू मैकेनिक? नो. एक दिन गाड़ी स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ, नाउ यू थिंक यू गो टू मैकेनिक? 100% yes. Why? Because गाड़ी doesn't start. गाड़ी doesn't start. That's the reason. अभी बताओ, पीरियोडिकली उसको चेक करना बेहतर है या बंद होने तक उसका इंतजार करके बंद होने के बाद उसको टो करके लेकर जाके रेडी करना अच्छा है? Periodically. Okay? See, you will be taught how to read, how to write, how to eat, how to do, how not to do. Everything is taught. But nobody teaches you how to take care of your health. You think at the age of 85 he remembers 1 lakh year calendar. You think it's a joke? We are going for a Guinness Book of World Record for him. 1 lakh year calendar at the age of 85. How much he would have invested on himself? How much he would have invested? Right? Nobody teaches us how to take care of our health. Nobody teaches. Friends, for your information, I'm telling you, he is conducting 1 day seminar. Only 1 day seminar. That is tomorrow. You people are very, very lucky. Very, very lucky. Tomorrow morning till evening, from morning till 9 o'clock till evening 6 o'clock, he is conducting a wonderful seminar. He talks about 3 important things. Without his knowledge, I'm telling this, sir, may I? Because I see that charm in their face. I want them to take the benefit, because all people who are coming are very aged person. One IAS, IPS, IAS person is coming, and somebody is 63, somebody is 68, somebody is 59. All elderly people. गाड़ी बंद होने का समय आ चुका है, अभी मैकेनिक के पास आ रहे. So I don't want that thing to happen with you, friends. So tomorrow morning from 9 o'clock till 6 o'clock, he is conducting an excellent seminar on first, how to take care of your health. He gives so simple techniques, profound techniques. अरे इतना करने से, wow, you will get that. How to take care of your health. Second, very, very important, he has bought me also. So I'll be teaching more memory techniques. How to memorize at least 25 years I can teach you. How to memorize 25 years. कोई आके बोलेगा आपकी दोस्त, date of birth, you will be able to calculate in your mind and tell you were born on Thursday. She'll be like, प्रतिभा कैसी बोली तू, है ना? This stage. And this age, you don't have anybody to push. किसी ने आपको धक्का मारा तो एक्टर बन जा, तो हीरो बन जा, तो हीरोइन बन जा. किसी ने आपको धक्का मारा? नहीं. Now if you come to that workshop, he would like to be your health coach. Okay? Now this is what I have to say, and later on we have our Vincent here. Vincent, if you don't have mind, please raise your hand. Okay. He is Vincent. He is having application.
I've got 2 minds, left brain, right brain, subconscious mind, conscious mind. That's why I raised both my hands.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful, very nice. Okay, later on you can contact him, take the application, take the benefit out of this workshop. Right? Let God bless you all with loads of health, wealth, and happiness. Thank you very much. Loving you so much.
Thank you.